Right, so I'm going to show you how to change the default password manager for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, the service that you want managing your passwords, maybe saving your passwords and providing them when you need to sign into websites and apps. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So go to settings, and then under settings on the left hand side panel, you want to scroll down to security and privacy, tap on that. And then under security and privacy, go to more security settings, tap on that. And then you should see passwords, passkeys, and autofill, tap on that. And then under preferred service, you will see Samsung Pass is going to be your default preferred service. So you want to tap on this settings icon and then choose a different service. Now you can add another service. Most people will use Google. Okay, so I'm going to tap on OK and then have Google as my preferred service for managing my passwords. Okay. Thanks for watching and good luck.